Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, plants, structure and function. Every plant has its own structure: root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits. These are different parts of plant or a tree. Let us learn these parts step by step. See this picture from your textbook. In this picture, we can see radicle and plumule. Now, we will see radicle and plumule. The part that grows from inside the seed towards the soil is called as radicle, and the part that grows above the soil is called as plumule. The roots that forms from the radicle grows into the ground. This part of the plant growing below the soil for support is called as root. The root has hair-like processes near tips. These are root hairs. The tip is covered by root cap. You can do one activity at your home. See this picture. For this activity, take a glass jar and fill 3/4 of it with water. Place an onion on the mouth of a jar in such a way that its roots are towards the water. Observe the growth of the roots for 8 days. Thread-like or fiber-like roots arising from the stem are called fibrous roots. Thus, there are two main types of roots: tap roots and fibrous roots. See this picture. Plants like maize, sugarcane have two types of roots. Some roots are underground, whereas some grow from the stem just above the soil. Besides the normal functions like absorption of water and minerals, anchoring and supporting the plant, roots perform some other functions too. Roots shows some modifications to perform these additional functions. Some examples of such modified roots are aerial roots, stilt roots, runners, breathing roots. You can do this activity in your home. Take some water in a small glass jar. Put a plantlet in it in such a way that its roots are deep in the water. Mark the water level on the jar and add 5 milliliter of oil to the water. Record the water level on the next day. Observe this process. The next topic is stem. See this picture. You will find the different parts of a stem. The stem grows above the soil from the plumule of the sprouting seed. As the sprout grows, the length of stem gradually increases too. You can find different parts of a stem: internode, leaf, nodes, bud, and growing end of stem. The part of the stem between two nodes is called as internode. The tip or the apical end of the stem is called a bud. Observe a branch of any plant and identify its different parts as per this picture. The next topic is leaf. See this picture. Leaves grow from the nodes on a stem. Leaves are generally thin, flat, and green in color. The broad, spread out part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina, and its edge is called the leaf margin. Leaf margins may be entire, dentate, or lobed. In this picture, you can observe parts of a leaf. We can see leaf base, stiple, petiole, leaf blade, midvein, vein, leaf margin, and leaf apex. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. The portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called the leaf base. Leaves of some plants have a stalk called a petiole. The portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called a leaf base. Small leaf-like structures may be present near the leaf base. These are called stipules. Of some plants have a single undivided leaf blade and a single mid-rib. Such leaves are called simple leaves. However, the leaf blade of leaves in some plants is divided into many small parts. These are called leaflets. Such leaves are called compound leaves. Simple leaf and compound leaf are the two main types of leaves. Different plants has different leaves. See this picture. You will find different types of leaves. You can do a simple project in your home. Take a peepal leaf and a maize leaf and observe them carefully. The peepal leaf blade has reticulate venation and the maize leaf blade has parallel venation. Observe the leaves of some other plants in your surroundings and identify the types of venation.